I've noticed from the comments by the GCB that you are a person who would also perform the functions, the core functions of a judge who is leading a division by sitting on cases. Some of them are high-profile cases, and you wouldn't shy away. You would sit with the other senior judges and lead them in those cases. But then, okay, you may comment for now.
Sorry, you were not finished. Sorry about it.
Yeah. Now, it would appear that participating again in those cases, it has led to an objection that we have before us, coming from the Office of the Public Protector, either in her personal capacity, well, both in her personal capacity and in her official capacity. Firstly, I do understand that there is no pending complaints before this body against you regarding those issues that have been raised. It is only here to serve merely as an objection to your appointment to this office. Would you like to share some information on that? I know you've provided a written document that's dealing with that. Yes. But for the benefit of the public, I don't want things to be spun and as if this was not attended to.
Yes. Yes, I think those complaints, if there are any complaints from the Office of the Public Protector, have not seen the light of day as far as the JSC and the JSCC are concerned. She's not done that. And as I've responded in my response, her first complaint that I refused to meet with her when she asked for a meeting, I've clearly explained. She had lawyers. She didn't use those lawyers to write to me. She wrote to me herself, saying she wants a meeting. And she explained why she wanted a meeting. I've mentioned in my response that there's a cardinal principle in how we engage with litigants as judges. She wanted to meet with me on her own and her staff regarding matters that were in court being handled by judges and that involved other parties. If you want to get into trouble as a judge, is to meet one party in the absence of the other. She wanted to do that, and that was the first cardinal misconception that she had. But the other one was she had lawyers who could voice any concerns she had with those judges that were handling those matters. So that's the first complaint. The second complaint, I've explained it, that is the first time I heard about me being approached by Judge Twala to the effect that Judge Fabricius tried to influence him by giving him a draft judgment. It was the first time when I saw it in a letter. And I consulted those judges to ask them, what about it? I started with Twala, and they were all surprised about it. So it's unfortunate she's chosen to lodge an objection, but in my view, there's no merit in both objections that she has lodged.